Today we'll do a quick unboxing of the HD Hub 4K-V2. This essentially is a 3-port HDMI input selector. You would use this if you have a television or a source such as a projector which only has one HDMI input. Inside the box is the device itself. There's a little infrared eye, a remote, and a USB cable to power it up. Now if we have a look at the device itself, it has input 1, 2 and 3 and output 1 over there. So this would run through to your television or your projector, and you would be able to plug 3 inputs there and select through each of them. You can use the remote to choose between the different sources, or one is able to press this button here in order to flip between the different inputs. If you guys have any questions or comments, or you need some help with the device, please feel free to get in touch with us. We'll do our best to assist you.